Do you have an ugly lawn that you're looking to take to the next level this spring? Well, you've found the correct channel. Welcome to the Great Green North Lawn Care. My name is Wade Murray, and today we're going to be going over 5 simple lawn tips that can help take your lawn to the next level this year. For those of you new here, make sure you subscribe. We got great lawn tips coming up this spring. We do videos and podcasts. So check out my channel, check out the extra tips I have on here. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Alright, number 1, and this one seems simple, but I think it's the biggest tip that helps everybody out. You need to stay on top of your mowing. The amount of people that I see mowing either too low to the ground. So if for cool season grass, you need to be mowing anywhere from 3 inches to 3.5 inches throughout all season long. I see people scalping their lawn down to 1 inch, 1.5 inches. And if you have a variety of grass that's able to go down that low, you can go down that low. But for a regular rotary mower, if you're trying to get your lawn to the next level, mow a little taller, mow it 3 to 3.5 inches, and you need to be mowing when you're only cutting off 1/3 of the grass blade at a time. So this means that you need to be mowing pretty much, in the flush seasons, you're mowing every 2 to 3 days, making sure that you're cutting, you have sharp mower blades, and you're doing a nice cut on the grass. Now, there's nothing worse than scalping your lawn. It really is detrimental to the growth and health of your lawn, and in the future it can prevent disease, or it can help cause disease and other issues like that, and it can really help stunt the growth of your lawn, especially going into a stressful season like summer. So making sure that you're staying on top of that grass, you're only mowing off 1/3 of the grass blade at a time, and that you're mowing a couple times a week instead of just once a week or instead of once a month. This is really going to help take your lawn to the next level. So just think about this. The more you mow, the more you grow. And this is going to help you take your lawn to the next level. Number 2, this goes along with the mowing one, and it seems simple, but a lot of people forget about this. Trimming makes a huge difference. The amount of people that cut their grass and go, oh, I'm tired, I'm going to leave it to trimming until later. And believe me, I have done it too. Trimming makes a huge difference with the overall look of your lawn and can help take your lawn to the next level. So making sure that every time you're done mowing, you grab that trimmer, you trim around all your objects, trim around your flower beds, flip that trimmer vertically, or if you have a blade edger, you can use that too, edging around your flower beds, edging out your sidewalks, edging around your driveway. It really helps make a big difference and make that lawn stand out compared to your neighbors and give you the best lawn on the block. Number 3, this one also seems very simple, but a lot of people seem to forget about it. Put down some fertilizer. So a lot of people, when I go to them and I have a little consultation with them, I talk to them on what's going on with their lawn. The biggest thing, I ask them, when's the last time you put down fertilizer? When's the last time you put down some sort of nutrients for this lawn? And most of the time, the people say, I haven't put down fertilizer since I lived here. I haven't put down fertilizer in 4 or 5 years. And this just blows my mind, because you cannot have a healthy, green-looking lawn without feeding it. It's just like yourself. Think about if you hadn't eaten in 4 months, how would you feel? It's the same with your lawn. You cannot be healthy without feeding your lawn. So grabbing an all-purpose fertilizer off the shelf at Walmart or Home Depot, wherever, even if it's Scott's, just grabbing that all-purpose fertilizer, you got your 16-16-16 or your 10-10-10, putting that in your Scott's spreader and putting that down. I have videos linked up here about how to put down fertilizer. This can really make a big difference in your lawn, keeping your lawn healthy and growing. So making sure you're putting down fertilizer at least twice a year, maybe 3 times a year, makes a huge difference. You'll notice as soon as you start putting down those regular fertilizer applications, the health and thickness and overall health of your lawn will really help improve over this year. This is another really simple one, however, it is really important. So number 4, look up, look what's above you. Make sure that you're looking up, because whatever's up affects what's down below in your lawn. And what I'm talking about is tree branches and other obstacles that may be obstructing the sunlight to your lawn. Remember when you learned in grade 2 about photosynthesis and how plants convert sunlight into nutrients to help themselves grow? Well, your lawn can't convert sunlight if you have a 40-foot tall maple tree blocking out all the sun. And yes, shade tolerant grasses do exist, and you can grow grass in shade. My side yard is 100% dappled shade, and I have a beautiful lawn growing over there, but it doesn't come without its obstacles. So making sure you're looking up. If you have a lot of really low hanging branches, if you have a lot of walnut trees, if you have trees there's a spot underneath this tree that always seems to be dying. Maybe hiring an arborist or going up yourself and trimming off some of those low hanging branches. If you can't walk under the branches, how is your lawn going to be able to get the airflow and water that it needs? So trimming those low-hanging branches, or if it's something a lot bigger, hiring a professional to take out those branches can really help open up the airflow in your lawn and open up that sunlight and really help improve your lawn this coming season. So making sure you're looking up, seeing what's going on. You know, is this blocking the sunlight? Is this blocking the sunlight? These are very important details. They seem as simple as they are, but they can really help take your lawn to the next level. As well as this, some of the trees above can also affect the pH in your soil. Walnut trees or pine trees are very important to this, and sometimes you just can't grow grass underneath those trees. So the solution to that can be, you know, just take out that grass and turn it into a mulch bed. I've done it in my house, you know, numerous times. Taking out that grass, turning it into a mulch bed can really help, you know, just make the lawn look better in a whole. Instead of having a patchy spot, now you have a nice mulch bed. You can put flowers in, flowers that are tolerant to the acidic soil if it's underneath a pine tree, and then, you know, bring it out, you know, a couple feet from the trunk, and then you'll have your healthy stand of turf around, and it will get rid of that eyesore, and it's less maintenance for you. Finally, at number 5, this one goes with the mowing at the very beginning. Begin mowing more often. So now that you put down your fertilizer, you've checked for obstacles, you know, you're mowing, you know, at 3 inches, you got your trimmer going on, up that mowing to every 2 to 3 days. The more you mow, the more your lawn is going to grow. And this is true because as you keep cutting off the top of that grass plant, the grass is gonna, instead of focusing all of its energy on growing up, it's gonna start focusing its energy on growing out. And you're gonna get a thicker, more healthy stand of turf. It's going to help shade out that root system, presenting less drought stress. As well as this, it's going to help push out any invading weeds that are in your lawn. And in addition to this, mowing more often allows the grass to focus more of its energy on root growth as well. And the deeper roots are able to salvage more water and keep your lawn healthy for longer. So remember that, the more you mow, the more your lawn's going to grow. So if you switch your mowing to every 2 to 3 days, this will really help improve your lawn over the long term. So that's it. Those are my 5 simple lawn tips to help take your lawn to the next level this season. Thank you guys for watching. If you have another tip that you think would be helpful, leave it down in the comments below. As always, you can email me at greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com. Your lawn questions, you can also submit them through my website, greatgreennorthlawncare.ca. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss another video of the Great Green North. My name is William. As always,